Hello, and welcome to another video. Today, we are going to review Dell USB 3.0 Ultra HD/4K Triple Display Docking Station, D3100. This device has got 75% 5-star ratings on Amazon, and it is highly selling product on this marketplace. Moving on, let's talk more about it. The Dell Docking Station. USB 3.0 connects your laptop to up to 3 additional monitors, various external devices, and the internet with a single cable. It features a convenient way to expand the capabilities of your portable PC and customize your desktop computing environment. This sleek, compact dock unlocks enhanced productivity and entertainment options with high-speed connectivity and support for Ultra HD 4K displays. It also includes 3 USB 3.0 ports, as well as 2 USB 2.0 connections, ensuring compatibility with a vast array of peripherals, such as external hard drives, printers, and scanners. Moreover, it is a great choice for corporate environments with Wake-On-LAN and PXE boot on selected platforms. It comes with the following: 2x USB 2.0 to 4-pin USB Type-A, 1x headphone input and output 3.5mm, 3x Super Speed USB 3.0 9-pin USB Type-A, 1x network, RJ45. Designed for Inspiron 15767 gaming, 5459, Latitude 13750, 3350, E5270, E5460, E5470, E5570, E7270, E7470, XPS 13, 9343. 1x display/video. Display port output. 20-pin display port, super speed cable. 2x display/video, HDMI. 19-pin HDMI Type-A. 1x HDMI DVI adapter included. Allow for a triple monitor setup. See compatible Dell models in the description. One of the best reviews on Amazon says that, "I purchased this dock with the mind that it's not for video processing/video playback or gaming. But I'm able to have two 1080p videos running on different screens with no issues." This type of box makes it easy for telecommuting, when all I need to do is connect a single USB 3.0 cable to my laptop to connect everything up, and makes it easier to switch to my own personal laptop at the same time.